Hi there, welcome back to Guide Central. And if you're looking to open a new bank account at TD Bank, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to open an account with TD Bank. Now let's dive in. So TD Bank is known for its customer-friendly services, standard banking hours, and easy-to-use online tools. Whether you're opening a checking or savings account, TD Bank offers options that cater to your financial needs. Before we start, make sure you have the following documents ready. First and foremost would be a valid government-issued photo ID like a driver's license or passport. Now, the second thing that you'll need to have is a social security number or individual taxpayer identification number, your proof of address such as a utility bill or lease agreement, and last but not the least, an initial deposit amount, usually $25 or more. Opening an account online is super easy, so here's how. First and foremost, you need to go to TD Bank's official website at www.td.com. Now in here, go ahead and hit on that sign up button that you'll find beside the login button at the top right, and that will redirect you into this section. So as you can see in here, you can select the account type that you want to open and confirm that you are the account owner for all accounts. After that, you need to hit on the continue button, and that will redirect you to the application form where you'll need to enter your personal details, including your name, address, and SSN or ITIN. Review the terms and conditions, then submit your application. Now, once you're approved, make your initial deposit to activate the account, and that's it. You'll receive an confirmation email and your account will be ready to use. And that's it. Opening an account on TD Bank is quick and simple, whether you do it online or in person. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to guides. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.